If you want to open cards menu via double tap on your iPhone 16e, so first of all we have to open up our shortcuts. Now let's press plus and let's add our actions. So open wallet. Yeah, open card, great. Now simply choose here. Great, now let's press done. So here we have our open card. Now we have to open up our settings. Then we have to find our accessibility, touch, scroll down to the bottom to your back tap, choose your double tap option, and scroll down until you'll find your shortcuts. Here's your open card shortcut. Now if we're gonna use our double tap, we'll have our which card or pass. I don't have any cards added. However, if you have them, you will see all of the variants. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.